everyone, welcome to IS Darshana. I hope you all are doing very well. So without wasting any of our time, let's move to the topics of the day. Today's topic is Ayushman Sahakar Scheme. The National Cooperative Development Corporation, a statutory organization under Ministry of Cooperation, inter alia undertakes schemes for promotion of cooperative societies in manufacturing and service sector. NCDC, while aligning itself with mandate of National Health Policy to develop healthcare sector, notified Ayushman Sahakar Scheme. As part of scheme, NCDC sanctions financial assistance to eligible cooperatives in healthcare sector after detailed technical and financial appraisal of the project, thereby ensuring long-term financial sustainability. The scheme provides financial assistance to cooperatives working in healthcare including Ayush, thereby promoting community ownership, participation and accountability in healthcare delivery. Any cooperative society registered under any state act or multi-state cooperative societies act with suitable provision in its bylaws to undertake services related to hospital, healthcare or health education is eligible for financial assistance under the scheme. NCDC assistance is provided either through the state governments or union territories administrations or directly to the cooperatives which fulfill NCDC direct funding guidelines criteria. So the next topic for the day is Disaster Management Amendment Act 2025. Rapid urbanization is posing new and unique challenges in urban areas of large urban agglomerations that span even more than one district in many areas. Therefore, to address the issue of urban disaster risk management and have a focused approach towards urban issues, an enabling provision 41A has been made through amendment in the Disaster Management Act 2005, empowering the state governments to constitute urban disaster management authority in state capitals and all cities having municipal corporation for dealing with city-specific disasters more effectively. The UDMAs are responsible for preparation of urban plan addressing urban specific vulnerabilities including flooding and heat waves and for coordinating the implementation of the same. Therefore, it is the mandate of the state governments to set up UDMA. As per information available, only one state, namely Karnataka, has constituted UDMA for Brihat Bengaluru Mahanagara Palike. The Disaster Management Amendment Act 2025 mandates the creation of the National Disaster Database, which includes risk assessments, mitigation plans, and real-time data on disasters. Allied agencies such as Indian Meteorological Department (IMD) have integrated AI or ML models into weather forecasting systems for 7-day advanced predictions. This includes AI-driven simulations for flood forecasting and cyclone tracking as part of Mission Mausam. High-level committee approves financial assistance to the states from the National Disaster Response Fund (NDRF) and National Disaster Mitigation Fund (NDMF). The HCL existed prior to enactment of Disaster Management Act 2025 as it was performing important role in disaster management. Statutory status was granted to HLC through amendment in DM Act in 2025. Further, Ministry in Home Affairs facilitates timely constitution and deputation of interministerial central team in the wake of a severe disaster for immediate first-hand assessment of the damages caused. HLC has approved an amount of rupees 4,576.7 crore from NDRF to various states during 2025-26 for floods or flash floods or cyclone or modernization of fire services or recovery and reconstruction needs, etc. HLC has also approved the following amount from NDMF under various schemes during this financial year. Urban Fund Risk Management Program rupees 2,444.42 crore. Restoration of rejuvenation of Assam wetland rupees 692.05 crore. National project for strengthening community-based disaster risk reduction initiatives in Panchayat Raj institutions rupees 507.37 crore. So this is it for today. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day.